Forgive me, but I'm going to use this clip of me getting the camera and everything set up the way I wanted it while Maru is distracted in the background with pictures of birds and things, and use it to show off this project that I think I'm going to stop because I'm no longer into it. But for a little while there, I was making a new song by New Nikki, aka The Maga Minaj. I only have one verse written or recorded, but here it is. You're probably not going to like it. So without any further ado, this is Dems in the Trap in the style of Nicki Maga Minaj. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Them saying shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100-mile bunnies can't tell me nothing. Them dems in the trap, get the dems in the trap. The left, yeah, trap, left in the trap. Progressives out, virtues signaling nothing. Damn Somalians leaving our kids with nothing. Dems in the trap, the dems in the trap. The left in the trap, left in the trap.